Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Sketchup 2021 for beginners. I am architect Sonurai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to teach you some basic command like select and move tool. So this is our large tool bar set here, and if you want to go to your default set, you can go to tool view tab here, and you can go to toolbars, and you can check this box getting started. You will get this toolbar, default toolbar, but you can uncheck this because all tools available on top of these is available in large toolbar set, so it is better to work in large toolbar set. So I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to select this select command here. And if you want to select this particular chair, you are required to first select this one, and you can click once on your furniture or model, and you can see this square blue box. That means our object is selected. If I am bringing on this cabinet here, you can see this blue line all around. That means our object is selected. So if you want to move this object, you are required to select this symbol, that is for move, or you are required to enter shortcut command M on your keyboard. So I am going to press either select this, or I am going to enter shortcut command M, and you can see our symbol of mouse will change here. I'm going to enter M, and you can see this plus likes arrow symbol is for move tool. So that means we are ready to move our object. So we can move this in red direction, you can move to green line direction, you can move to Z direction in 3D. So if you want to move only in red direction or green direction, how you will do? So I am going to press left mouse key here, and that means we can move this to only green direction. And if I want to move in red direction, I am not able to move. If I want to move in a Z direction, it is not going. So that means it will go only in green line direction if you press left arrow on your keyboard. So if you want to get rid of this command, you are required to again click on left arrow, and you are out of this command and can move in any direction. So suppose if you want to move in red direction, you are required to press right arrow, and you will move only in red direction. And if you want to move in Z direction, you are required to press up arrow, and you will move up in blue line direction, that means Z. And if you want to get rid again, you are required to press up arrow, and now you are back to blue. So suppose I want to move this wall with the help of move tool. So I am going to select and select this wall, but it's not getting fully selected. And if I am trying to move, it will move this front wall portion, and it is getting extruded. And if I'm going backwards, getting backwards. And again, if I want to select this portion of wall, and it will move again, not the whole object is getting selected. So what you will do in this case, you will go to move here, and you from left to right, you will select whole object, and now you will use this move tool, and you can easily move your object. So this is the basic settings in move tool. So suppose if you want to move this object on this wall, you can directly select from this, and this dash line is showing the origin of our object, and you can place here, and can use orbit tool here, this orbit tool, and you can adjust your model, and you can again use move. Can use your top view model also, that will be discussed in coming tutorials. So we can place your model like you do in any other tutorial. So you can adjust your model with your move tool. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session, I will discuss with Mopi and arrow command. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.